Namaste. I'm Dr. Sarita. I am an emotional well-being coach and an energy healer. And welcome to Utsav Yoga. In today's session, we are going to do self-love meditation and focus on opening our heart center. Welcome to the class. Now slowly bring your attention to the tip of your toes and scan your body slowly from your toes to your heels, your ankles, your calves, knees, thighs, slowly moving upwards to your abdomen, chest, shoulders, your entire back, arms, forearms and fingers. As you move your attention through your body, feel that each and every part of your body is relaxing. Slowly move your attention to your throat, your neck, face, and your scalp. Your entire body is now relaxed completely. As you're lying down on Mother Earth, feel yourself become one with her. Feel as if you are wrapped in a very comfortable blanket and you've become one with Earth. Now I want you to think about all the labels that you have given to yourself, or maybe others have given to you. You are not good enough. You don't look good. You are too fat, too emotional, too short-tempered. Whatever labels you've given yourself, there may be many. Just think about all those labels now. Just repeat those statements in your mind. Every label comes with a huge weight. It weighs you down and doesn't allow you to be who you are. You are not these labels. You are something beyond them. As you remember these statements that you have given to yourself, choose to let them go one at a time. You can do it in whatever way you are comfortable. You can imagine these statements going up into the universe and vanishing up, or going deep down into Mother Earth. Let go of all this burden, one statement at a time. Let it go. See those labels vanish away from your life. And as you let go of these labels, you start feeling more lighter and lighter. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. You don't have to prove anything to yourself. You know who you are. You know how you want to feel. You know what love is. Choose to feel that love completely today. As you let go of these statements, feel your heart becoming lighter and lighter, as if a huge weight has been taken out. Feel your heart blooming. Love makes you more of who you are. Let go of all those wrong statements that you have given yourself. Let it go. Recognize this person. Who are you without these statements? What would you want to tell yourself instead of what you were actually telling? Tell yourself that I love you. I love you for who you are and for who you are not. I love you for all the things that you have done and for all the things that you've not done. And now apologize to your own self. Apologize for not loving you enough. For loving you at my own convenience. For treating you badly as and when I wished. I am sorry. Remember the times that you've been very hard on yourself. And choose to apologize for all those times. And from today, make a promise to yourself that you will love yourself no matter what. You have to be your first priority. Everything else follows. When you love yourself, you develop the ability to love others. If you are kind and compassionate with your own self, you can be kind and compassionate with others. Now imagine a beautiful flower in the center of your chest, blooming as you're able to love yourself completely. This journey has begun for you. Let go of all the labels. Free yourself of all the burdens that you have unconsciously given yourself. And choose to be your first love. Choose to understand love completely. Choose to understand love without conditions. Feel that joy and happiness inside your heart. Feel yourself become that little child who is happy and playing around, who loves life. Allow yourself to do whatever you wish to. And choose to love yourself completely. Keep both your hands on your heart center, on your chest. And take in long, deep breaths. 3 long, deep breaths. Breathe into your heart and tell yourself, I love you. I love you very, very much. And now slowly come back into the sitting position. Thank you for attending today's session. See you next time. Keep loving yourself.